Hi everybody, on the 30th of November, Mercury is stationing direct in 20 degrees of Scorpio. It has been retrograding as every time for about 3 weeks. This time it happened between 20 degrees of Scorpio and 6 degrees of Sagittarius. So when a planet stations in relation to the Earth, this is where we feel its expression the strongest. Stationing direct, Mercury brings us resolutions to some misunderstandings, misconceptions, miscommunications. It's going to start bringing resolutions and solutions to some problems we have been thinking about, revising, reviewing in our head for the last few weeks in this area of your life where this chunk of the zodiac falls. So since 9th, 10th of November, Mercury has been retrograding first in Sagittarius, so maybe this is where we started off a bit more optimistic, but then it went back to the deeper sign of Scorpio on the 19th, 20th of November, where we are forced to really look truth in the eye. It's about uncovering secrets, really going deep. It's about not sweeping anything under the carpet, but being very honest with ourselves and reviewing these areas of our life, okay? But now, on the 30th of November, when it's actually moving forward, we will have an opportunity to see what we have healed through real introspection. With Mercury retrograding in Scorpio, we had a great time, we have had a great time and still have actually, to do some journaling. It's about journaling your thoughts and really reviewing and revising and kind of introspecting on certain areas of our life. In this chunk of the zodiac in your chart where it actually falls. Shadow zone still happens, is with us until middle of December, so you will have an opportunity to unpack all these reviewed decisions and these misunderstandings to get smoothed out, etc. until middle of December. But the Scorpio sign altogether is very much about true transformation, depth, psychological processes, working with trauma, detoxing, cleansing, grief, loss, deep psychological processes, dealing with secrets, hidden information, power dynamics. It's very much about money, finances, and joint assets and investments as well, okay? So these areas of our life have been touched. Yes, so now we are moving on with some clarified, processed truths, and we have green light to move forward, okay? I wish you all the best with this transit. I think it's very intense, deep, and we can have a look together if you want. Get in touch for £20 only. I can tell you how you can still utilize Mercury retrograde and Mercury turning direct on the 30th of November. All the best.